Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, when it comes to email marketing, the most important thing right now is your email deliverability. If your email deliverability is fixed, then next comes how to improve your email open rates. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 tips to improve your email open rates. And if you stay tuned till the end, then I'm going to share you a bonus tip that is going to increase your email open rates about 20 to 30% extra. Now, if you really want to learn how to do affiliate marketing and email marketing using solo ads, then please hit the subscribe button to learn more from my channel so that you don't miss any part of this training videos. And if you miss it, then it's very difficult to get along with me, guys. Let's get straight to my screen. Now, how do you improve your email open rates? First tip would be engaging subject lines. So your subject line is the first thing your recipients see. So it always needs to be engaging and intriguing. And you keep your subject lines concise, intriguing, and relevant to the email content. Third one will be avoid clickbait or deceptive tactics that may lead to lower engagement in long run. Now, I have seen time and time again from different email marketers using clickbait or deceptive tactics in order to get their email open. Now, this might lead to increase of your email open rates, but in the long run, subscribers will get both and eventually they will unsubscribe. So always try to minimize the use of clickbait or deceptive tactics. Now, the second tip would be personalization. Now, what do you mean by personalization? Now, personalization comes in a different ways. You can address your subscribers by their first name. Now, this is a basic one. And if you really want to do more advanced personalization, then you really need to segment your email list based on relevant criteria. Now, what do you mean by relevant criteria? Now, the relevant criteria can be segmenting your list based on your buyers or clickers or the openers. You can segment your list based on their geography or the demography. Segment your list based on who they are, like whether they are the beginners or they are people who want to quit their 9-to-5 job, or people who are about to retire, the retired professionals who want to earn extra money. So you can segment people or segment your subscribers based on these criteria, which will eventually increase your open rates. Third tip would be optimize email timing. You have to experiment with different timings. Now you can send like 12 p.m. or 2 p.m. or 4 p.m. or 6 p.m. or 8 p.m. or morning 7 a.m. And you always need to test like for a week, right? Or if suppose you are testing a particular timing for this week, then the next week you can test for a different timing so that you get more of accurate data rather than testing like today you test a different timing and tomorrow you're testing a new timing. So I would rather suggest you to go for a week at least for testing so that you get more accurate data of how the open rates are behaving. So the next tip would be mobile friendly designs. Now you always know that significant portion of your audience will access your emails on their phones or tablet. Yes, guys, most of the emails are opened on their mobile devices. So you need to optimize your emails. Final tip would be A/B testing. So this is the fifth and the final tip, which is A/B testing. You always need to test your subject line, guys. You can test between 2 different subject lines for a particular segment, and then based on the open rates that you're getting, you can choose the winner and send it to the larger audience. So this is going to be one of the ways you can do the A/B testing. And this will be very good if your list size is more than like 5,000 or 10,000 email subscribers. Now you have come and watched all this way, and I have explained you the top 5 tips. Now I'm going to explain you the 6th tip, which is the bonus tip that you're waiting for. And this bonus tip would be use emoji at the start of the subject line, guys. This is going to be one of my bonus tips. Next bonus tip would be use 3-word subject lines. Can I have email subject lines with 3 words? Yeah, that also performs really well, guys. And the third one will be include your first word of your subject line inside square brackets. This will make your email stand out in the inboxes of your subscribers, guys. This really works well. And all these three bonus tips are really doing good for me, and I hope you can use this, and it will also help you increase your email open rates by at least 20 to 30%. Guys, in theory, it is very easy, but when it comes to practical and applying this in your online business, then it's very tough and you need to do it correctly in order to get results. So if you're someone who is complete beginner and want to learn step by step of how to do, and even a complete beginner can understand, then please watch this video over here. This one video can help you in your affiliate marketing journey using solo ads. So please go and watch that video, and I would like to hear your comments, and it will really help you to build your online business. So with that being said, let's meet in the next part of this training series. Until then, bye.